Hi guys, so in today's video I'm making the famous rosemary in clove water. I use a glass container for the rosemary and clove water. I add 2 tablespoons of cloves, but maybe you can use 1. I think I used too much, but anyway, this is the benefits of using clove water. Then I add the rosemary. It's important to wash the rosemary before using it. I added 3 stems to the container. I think that's also too much, and this is the benefits for using rosemary for your hair. So I boil the water and then add it to the glass container. Other people would boil the water with the rosemary and the cloves together, but I decided otherwise. So now you let this sit for a day or 2. It depends on you, you can decide. And I left mine for 2 days. So this is how the water looks after 2 days. The longer you let it sit, the darker the water becomes. So I use a jug and a sieve for the straining part. And then I add the water in a spray bottle. And so this is how the end product looks. This is my patch and I can't wait to start using it. So I use this rosemary and clove water for a week, only a week, because after a week you must throw it away because it can cause damage to your hair and scalp. I used it 3 times for that week. And this is also the first time using this, so we'll just have to see the results. Till next time, bye.